Hello, Sarah. This is our row.
Great! Window seat for me, please.
Of course. I'll take the aisle.
Perfect. Long flight ahead.
Are you comfortable, Sarah?
Yes, thank you. How about you?
Very good. This plane is nice.
It is. I'm excited for New York.
New York City. Finally.
Yes, my first time there.
You will love it. So much to see.
I hope so. What about you?
I visit family and eat pizza.
I want to see Times Square.
It's amazing. Very bright.
And the Statue of Liberty.
A must-see. Don't forget Central Park.
Good idea. I have a long list.
Hello, passengers. Passenger service is starting.
Oh, good. I'm a bit hungry.
Me too. What are the options?
I will be with you shortly. What would you like to drink?
I'll have a coffee, please.
Black coffee or with milk?
With milk, please. Thank you.
I'd like an orange juice.
Orange juice coming right up. For your meal, we have chicken or pasta.
Chicken sounds good.
Here's your chicken, Mark.
Thank you, Emily. Looks good.
And your orange juice, Sarah.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your meal.
This chicken is quite good.
Yes, it is. My pasta is tasty.
Are you enjoying your juice?
Very much. And your coffee?
Perfect. Just what I needed.
I'm almost finished now.
Me too. That was a good lunch.
Yes, very satisfying.
Would you like more water?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Are you both finished with your meals?
Yes, thank you. It was delicious.
Thank you, Emily. Very good.
You're welcome. I'll take these.
Thanks again for the service.
That was a nice break.
Indeed. Now, some rest.
How much longer is the flight?
About 4 more hours.
Okay, time for a movie.
That meal was quite good.
Yes, it was. I'm full now.
How much longer until New York?
Maybe 2 more hours.
Time flies when you're flying.
Haha, true. I'm excited.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are descending.
Look, Sarah, the city lights.
Wow, it's so big and bright.
Welcome to New York.
I can't wait to explore.
Soon we will be there.